If you've been waiting for the right house, you don't have to scroll anymore. You have found it. So whatever you're doing, stop scrolling and watch the end of this video, because I promise you, you're not going to leave this house. Come on inside, I'll give you a private tour. Here we go. On the main floor, having the owner's suite is absolutely perfect because you walk in, you've got a double tray ceiling and an extra bump out, and leads right into the owner's bathroom, which has got dual vanity, beautiful countertops, designer cabinets, and an absolutely incredible shower. When you go upstairs, there's an awesome spot. I mean, it's a perfect loft setup with a bedroom and its own bathroom. So anyone could be up there and just have their own private living space. Gotta love it. Once you go down to the basement, it's awesome entertaining space. You've got the fridge area, totally have a wet bar added on later. You've got a dining area in the living room set up, total theater room, rec space, flex space. What's awesome is you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths down in the basement. You also have a ton of storage space, so don't miss out. That is a great spot to check out. If you're looking for it, this is it. This house is ready for you. And if you're ready to take a private tour, call today or click the link down below. I look forward to seeing you here in your brand new home.